Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, a nice backup camera, we got mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. We do get blind spot detection, some nice lime green accents, a nice black hood deflector with two tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some lime green accents, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, you got floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, and you got some outlets down here. And of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Auto stop, auto start, lights, and parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7.5 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders, you even get storage underneath. Storage right here with USB-C and a USB. You got a nice vinyl wrap center console with even more storage underneath. Rear locking diff with four-wheel drive and drive modes. Nice little coin slot. You got your climate controls at the bottom here, 12-volt and two USB-Cs. Got storage above with the F-150 logo. Storage below. Storage right above your infotainment system. Clicking here, you get your back view of your vehicle. Hazards, traction, tune, volume, all that jazz. And looking here, you have your sources. So you have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone capabilities. Fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD35054, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.